It is an insult to our country. जे ट्रम्प आणि मोदी सदांच मोठाले फ्रेंड पण आज जेन्ना आमचे ह्या देशाच्या नागरिकांक खास करून युथाक ज्या पद्दतीन चेन करून आणि डिपोर्ट केले तांकां म्हाका दिसता थोड्यांक टॉर्चर जाले देवर इवन रॉब पयशे आसले ते तांकां सगळ्यांक हें केलें दिस इज नॉट इन द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ आवर कंट्री it has sets a very bad precedent because म्हाका दिसता हेच्या होणे केन्ना जावंक नासलें स्पेशली इंडिया आनी अमेरिकाच्या रिलेशनशीप इन द पास्ट when Dr. Manmohan Singh was the Prime Minister, there were several ties, including the nuclear deal, several things that happened in the interest of our country. But it is shocking to see that how the Trump administration is deporting these people, how they are there is it's like an insult because they are being handcuffed and chained, and some places तांकां सारके जेवण दिल्लें, so they are treated as criminals. So this म्हाका दिसता is something which is very very serious. The Congress party has protested all over the country आणि खास करून आमगे दोग जाण गोंयकार जे ऑल्सो आर डिपोर्टेड जाय ते गोंयकार आमचे अमेरिका जे आहे ते आपणागेले पोट आणि घर सांबाळपाक थिंगा वयता अँड this type of deportation, I believe the Prime Minister has to intervene. The External Affairs Minister is silent over how things have been processed. If we look at the Lok Sabha proceedings, they have no answer. Hui na hui म्हाका दिसता the government has to step in. And because हे आमचे गोंयकार भाव आज कितले थिंगा हाय खास करून टेक्सासचे गांवांत ते बिलो हाय आनी तेंकोडे एक्सटर्नल अफेर्स मिनिस्ट्री उलयत काय कितें प्रोसिजर जे विमान धाडपाचें ते विमान धाडपाची प्रोविजन केला काय कितें एअरफोर्स कॅन पिक देम अप और वेदर इट इज गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू द सेम बिकॉज वी हॅव सेट काल 2 दीस आदी अमृतसर पंजाबाकूय एक फ्लायट हॅज बीन लँडेड अँड इन दॅट सो मेनी इंडियन्स यू कॅन सी देअर स्टेट So म्हाका दिसता we condemn this thing done by the American government and I think the Prime Minister has to intervene.
सर जर हे जर गोंयची जर इतली जाण भुरगीं जर आनी येयले जाल्यार गोंयची सरकाराचे नेमकें कितें दिवपा जातलें जॉब बी
अरे जॉब हिंग गोंयची सरकार दिता होकोच पयशे घेवन हेंको आनी हे पयशे घेवन हूं जॉब जाता पे जे जॉब स्कॅम जाला हिंगा हे जॉब दिवपा जायना म्हणून आमगेले भुरगे वयताय थिंगा मेरिटाचे इतले भुरगे आहाय बोर भुरगे शिकलोले वयताय थिंगा USA वयताय कित्याक थिंगा बरी म्हाका दिसता पेमेंट मातशें बरो आहा पूण दीस गव्हर्मेंट हॅज फेल्ड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इंडेक्स इफ यू लुक इज द हायस्ट इन द कंट्री हायस्ट वन ऑफ द हायस्ट सो दीस गव्हर्मेंट हॅज कम्प्लिटली फेल्ड to basically we have no expectations from this government because they are not basically जे staff selection commission मान केला now recently it has been हेजा होणे एक जॉबाक 10 लाख 20 लाख this was the norm and we were speaking about it and मेरिटाचे कोणा जॉब हिंगा गोंयांत मेळना सद्या तरी मेळना
सर तूं बी खंयच्या फॅमिली कडेन
Two families. In fact, our party is also tracking both of these boys, and we are trying to speak to them. But it depends also on their because it is their privacy. So, but we welcome them. We should not. We should be happy that they went there. They to earn a living, and with humility they had to be brought back. But jenna आज ज्या पद्धतीन त्यांका as if they are criminals are brought is very shocking. So definitely we will contact.
तर तांकां हातीकूय बेडी घालता पांयांकूय बेडी घालून धाडले कडेन आसा तेंचे
धाकली भुरग्यां पासून they have tortured day. This is what we have heard. This is their experience. Food was not given also properly. So this is a very very shameful act done by that, and I think our government has failed to protect their interests.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.